What I'm about to do today is very brief, but I need to explain it to you. You need to get it. Now, I want to design a website. The best way to design a website is to do it from scratch yourself. Now, doing it from scratch yourself can be very tedious because you have to begin to write your element, your tag, your attributes. After you've done that one, then you now go to your CSS, begin to do CSS by yourself, begin to amend CSS and do a whole lot of things. It's very good, but it's going to be a very difficult thing for you to meet up a 2-day or 3-day delivery of your job. A client just give you 2 days to deliver a particular job and you're now begin to do it from scratch. It's going to take you a time. That reason why this age, you need to know the rudiment. But most of the application, most of the websites you ever want to design, somebody have done it before somewhere. So the template is available. Now, some of the templates can be paid, but the good one paid. And we now have other ones that are free. So I'm going to be showing us how to go to the market and source for templates in the subsequent class. By the time we move to the other session that we are going to do, then we'll now be using our Visual Studio. Tomorrow, we are going to be doing something on Visual Studio a little bit. I'll just show something a little bit on it next class. But let me just now give us another way of sourcing for your solution. Now, to some extent, by now, all of you should know what we call Chat GPT. If you do not know Chat GPT at this age, there may be an issue. So all you need to do is to go to chat. This is the address. Chat. If you don't know, I'm just giving us the address now that I want you to go and get registered. So I'm going to drop it on the notepad now so all of us can see it very well. So that's the address, chat.openai.com. So that is the Chat GPT URL. I want all of you to, if you don't have it before, go and get registered there. ChatGPT is a very good tool for everybody, for anybody. So now, I want to design a website. I've been using it. I've done a whole lot of things with it, a lot of things. So this is my own account. I can't share it with you. You have to have your own account. It's free. You can see GPT 3.6, 3.5, and GPT-4. So it's free anyway. But this 4 is paid. So, but the 3 to some extent. Now, I want to design a website. And I don't have much clue of the website I want to design. I can ask this AI of a guy to help me out to do something. Most time I use it for code snippets. I use it very well for code snippets. I use it to find errors. I don't want to be showing you my own history, but that's personal to me. But how do we run it? Click on, after you have registered, registering it, maybe I just go to the address, fill your detail, fill your password, and it's very easy. Nobody need to teach you how to register it, but that's the address. So I just come to new chat. This new chat. New chat, we open up this page for you. So you can type something here. So I want to say, now let's see what I want to do. I want a sample sample HTML website. HTML, I said complete complete let me say single site. I'm just giving him what I want, single website. And I said with CSS. for my training class. I just asked the question. I want a small HTML complete single website with CSS for my training class. That's what I said. I just typed it for that robot and I said, okay. Now, it will tell me yes and it will begin to write something for me. See what it's doing. That is ChatGPT for you. It just writes out something for me from nowhere. That's all it did. So this thing that he has done now, I just copy. I don't need to do anything. I just let me go to there's copy on top of it. I just click copy. Then I come to my notepad. I click another page. I just paste everything that he did. I didn't do anything. Just copy and paste. So let me see what this guy have done for me and let me see how it's important. So I'm going to save this now. I'll save it as, let me give it chat copy. Now what I call it, chat copy.html. You see, I did not do anything other than I just tell the chat, I just tell ChatGPT to do something. So I've saved that. So I'm going to minimize this. Let me minimize everything. Let me go and look for what I've just done now. So I can drop it here. Chat copy, this chat copy. So let me drop it here. Okay, that's fine. Then I can now go to my browser. This is my browser. Let me see what this robot have done for me. So let me open this up in my browser. I open it on my browser. Okay. So you can see what it has done for me. Well arranged, well perfect. I didn't write any single code though. I just asked the robot to do something.